Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I'm going to do a Glossybox unboxing and share that with you. Slightly different from normal. I've got two boxes. Kind of didn't get around to opening September's, so I've got September and October's box to do an unboxing. Yeah, I've got little Gilly with me. Ruben is having a nap and Darwin is standing guard like he likes to do. So this is the September box. Good weight, standard box. I'm going to try and not make this a giant video. I was like, normally, you know, do 10 minutes for one. We don't want a 20-minute Glossybox video, do we? Okay. And it looks like that. Oh, I don't seem. There is no leaflet with my September box. Or is it? Hang on. Gumph. Vision Direct. Wishful. So I have a lot of advertising for cycling, but not actually a leaflet that tells you what anything is or how much it should cost. So let's see. I've got some Wishful YouGlow enzyme scrub. That looks like that. Pineapple enzyme. It's a scrub. What does it smell like? Doesn't smell like pineapples. Don't know how much it is because I don't have a thing. Then I've got a Prep and Prime Mind Tan exfoliating coffee scrub. Exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. Again, I don't know how much they've cost. And then I've got some, oh, I like this. This is the Imperial Leather Foam Burst. Lychee and Lotus flavour. Pampering Luxury Gel to Foam Body Wash. I've had this before. Not this scent, but I've had this before. It is nice. I like the Cherry Blossom one, I think it is, or Japanese Blossom or something. But yeah, I like those. Ooh. My favourite, I really like Lindor chocolate, but my favourite is the mint version. They're so yummy. And then we have Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C. It's a moisturiser. Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Duo Moisturiser. 50 ml. Yeah, I've had this brand before. I'm actually running out of my Ordinary, and it's the Ordinary moisturiser, so that's come at a good time. I can try that one next. I do really rate the Ordinary moisturiser though. And then we've got a intensive skin therapy. Apply this non-greasy multi-purpose balm to any troublesome areas and gently massage until the balm is completely absorbed. For extremely dry areas, apply a thick layer. Allow the treatment to work while you sleep. Use at least 2 times daily for the first week and then use as often as required. Looks like that. Yeah, so that was September's box. This has come at a good time. I'm going to eat this in a minute. And yeah, I suppose a scrub is always good. Let's say I like that, but yeah, it would have been better if I'd had the description leaflet thing. Right, did I not do those anymore? Did I miss an email? October's box. Ooh, ooh, pretty box. Ooh, Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tales. How beautiful is that box? Like, that's gorgeous. Again, recycling in the bottom of the box. Craft Gin Club. I know this is really unpopular because I do feel I am the only person in the world that doesn't like gin. It's like the entire world loves gin now, apart from me. Vision Direct and Grey's box. Recycling. Right, in the box. Oh, we have a leaflet this time, so I can tell you a bit more about the information about the products. Okay, so I think there was 2 different types of box by the looks of it. So you could have had Midnight Fantasy or Midnight Spirit. I have a Look Fantastic Foundation Finder. Whatever that is. Oh, the paper is gold. Fancy. Feels a bit Christmassy. Oh, 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 that's pretty. Just the colours of it all is pretty. Okay, October already beats September. And it's got a mini chocolate 2 weeks in 2 months in advance. Dark milk, Cadbury's chocolate. I've talked about this in a food haul. I am slightly obsessed with the dark milk buttons that are out. I really like them. I'm not normally a fan of dark chocolate, but this stuff is yum. Ooh, well, I know what I'll be having with my coffee. I've got 2 chocolate bars, winning. Right, in a very pretty box, I have a bubble tea Bath & Body Stardust Foaming Bath Powder in Rose. How pretty is that packaging? Like, I know it's not about the packaging, but that is pretty. The entire way through my pregnancy I was really into lavender and rose. Still like both of them. I know I'm a little bit worried because lots of people say if there's a scent you really like when you're pregnant you can go right off it afterwards, but at the moment still loving both the old lady scents. So this is Bubble Tea Cosmetics Limited Stardust Foaming Bath Powder, $5.99. Simply sprinkle the foaming powder in a warm bath whilst the water's still running and then slip into your potion to absorb its powers. The next thing is the Beauty Crop Stargazing Blush Duo. Ooh. Again, very nice packaging. I know it shouldn't be about the packaging. It should be all about the product. But sometimes it just looks nice. It's the same as, you know, when packaging feels fancy. You're like, oh, how pretty that is. I do like a star print. I wish I had nicer nails for this. I just haven't had opportunity yet. Oh, how pretty is that? I almost don't want to swatch it because it's so pretty. The Beauty Crop Stargazing Blush Duo. Get ready to create spellbinding looks with this duo of blushes. Recommended retail 18 quid. It's very soft. Ooh. Very pigmented, or the pink is anyway. Very pretty. I just realised there wasn't actually any makeup in September's Glossybox. I just feel there should be at least one piece of makeup in every box. Skincare is fab and everything, but it was originally sold as a makeup subscription. Anyway, next item is Illamasqua. Ooh, fancy. This is a deluxe mini. Oh, so sorry, the bubble tea thing and the blush full size. This is, I've got blooming blush on it now. On the packaging. This is Illamasqua Deluxe Mini Hydro, what's it called? Hydro Veil Rehydrating Gel. It's just a pot. Oh, extra fancy when it has a lid in the pot. And it's just a clear gel. So, part hydrator, part primer, Hydro Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Deluxe Mini is 7ml and it's worth 10 quid. The full size is £34. Fancy. I do like a bit of Illamasqua. They do the most beautiful eyeshadows. Next thing I've got is by AHC. Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Well, where else would you put eye cream? Oh, it's ultra sealed. Going through the bottom. The Elixir of Youth, it says on here. Well, I have a newborn. How long can you get away with calling them newborns? Don't know. But yeah, it's an eye cream. This is a Deluxe Mini, worth £8.66. Full size, 26 quid. This is the Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. The Elixir of Youth. This face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream, but can be used on your whole face. Okay, cool. And then, Luna by Luna, we have a full size lipstick in the shade Pixie. Ooh. Ooh, oh, see, it's coming out more orangey on camera. It's definitely more pinky in real life. Yeah, camera is picking up more orange. It could be because I'm wearing so much yellow, but it's much more pinky in real life. Luna by Luna lipstick. It's full size. Recommended retail 15 quid. It's a lipstick is luscious. Oh, I can't speak. Mum brain and lack of sleep is definitely happening. It's a creamy lipstick. Then I think this probably feels the cheapest. It's not the most tactile packaging, but hey, gorgeous box, liking everything. Definitely use everything. So we had 3 full size and 2 deluxe minis. Good box. Definitely going to say October was the better of the 2 boxes. I think my favourite thing in this box is probably the blush. Even though, you know, fancy. But yeah, I think the blush, both colours on the blush are very pretty. They're coming up orange on camera, but they're both very me. So yes, that is September and October's Glossybox. Haven't taken 20 minutes, so that's a win. I hope you're all okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.